Welcome to Kevin's backyard. I love the smell of fresh pizza in the air, especially when it's coming off of your grill. So the next time that you want to enjoy pizza, don't call for delivery and wait 45 minutes to an hour. Do it in your backyard on your Weber grill using a pizza stone. Here I'm going to give you a quick lesson on how to do that, and I promise it's a lot easier than you think. So why is a pizza stone so important? It retains heat extremely well. So for all you that love that crispy pizza crust, this is going to help do that for you. And because it retains heat, you're able to do multiple pizzas at a time without having to add any fuel. It also comes with this carrier, which makes putting it on and taking it off extremely easy. Let's talk about grill setup. And we're going to spread our charcoal evenly. We don't want a large pile directly underneath the stone because that could overcook your pizza. Now once we've done that, we're then going to place our cooking grate on our grill. The grate's in place, let's preheat our pizza stone. And this is a crucial step. If the stone isn't preheated properly, your pizza dough can stick to the stone and your crust won't get crispy. Our stone's preheating, let's build our pizza. And first let's talk about our pizza dough. And you're gonna wanna take that out of your fridge at least 30 to 45 minutes before you use it. This is gonna make stretching it much easier. We've already got that taken care of. Now let's talk about building our pizza. And here we have some amazing ingredients. And the thing I love about pizza is you can truly make it your own. We've got tomato sauce, barbecue sauce, green and red pepper. You truly have endless options. Today I'm going to be using tomato sauce. Now I'm going to use some fresh green pepper. We're also going to use some fresh red pepper. And to top this all off, some fresh mozzarella cheese. Before we place our pizza on the grill, we want to place a little bit of cornmeal down on the stone. When we're grilling pizzas, we want to get the lids on as quick as possible. The hot air inside the grill is what's going to help melt that cheese. Once the lid's on, we want to set our timer to 4 to 5 minutes. Let's check our pizza. These look delicious, and I'd invite you to have some, but you need to grill your own. The only thing left to do is to enjoy them.